Hello guys, welcome back to App. For today's video, here we're going to show you or discuss with you Workday HCM tutorial for beginners. So if you're interested, let's get started. So, managing HR, payroll, and finance processes is easier with Workday HCM, a cloud-based platform that works on any device with an internet connection. So this makes it a great option for both remote teams and in-office employees. Now, Workday brings everything into one system, from payroll and talent management to analytics and planning. So this setup helps businesses avoid juggling multiple systems. So it's widely used across industries such as hospitality, retail, financial services, public services, and even manufacturing. Now, one of the standout features of Workday is its simple and intuitive interface. Employees can easily request time off, approve expenses, and even check their pay stubs without needing extensive training. The platform also offers advanced analytic tools like People Analytics, Prism Analytics, and even adaptive planning to help businesses make smarter decisions using AI in data-driven insights. Now, in this case, if you're curious about Workday, you can try the 30-day free trial here of the adaptive planning features, which includes guided walkthroughs. Just keep in mind that Workday's pricing may be better suited for larger companies, as the subscription fees, setup fees, and maintenance expenses might be too high for small or mid-sized businesses. Now, to get more in this case about Workday here, you can actually go to their official web page, which in this case you go and click on contact sales here, and basically you could go ahead and basically contact them regarding what your needs. Now obviously they will be asking a bunch of questions about yourself, like what's your business email, the country, territory, and some contact details about yourself. Now you could go and click on contact sales here, and they will reach out to you regarding your what you need regarding Workday here. So in this case, lastly, businesses interested in a long-term collaboration can apply here. Workday's partner program by submitting their company information online. Overall, Workday HCM is a comprehensive tool here that simplifies HR and finance processes, but it's essential to make sure its features and costs match your company needs before you actually get their services. But in this case, that's about it. Hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to Up. Thank you for watching.